Hello and welcome to week one. So glad you're all still with me, right? Everyone doing okay? Everyone good? All right. Hopefully you're watching this video and you just don't like flip right through it because you never know when I might throw in an opportunity for like extra credit or, you know, extra hints on quizzes or things like that. So it's always good to see what I might be up to each week and what I might throw in because I have to admit I make these new every semester. So you never know what I might do. So, onward. So, we're in week one, and the first thing you need to do is go to the week one information. So, I guess, so right there, week one information. And the week one information starts with an overview and this video, which hopefully you're watching this video, like we just said. The next tab over is your study resources. Now, these resources are super duper important. Why? Because they've got everything you need to know so you'll be successful when you actually complete your assignments for the week. So we've got the chapter 1 notes. You should be reading along with this sections 1.1 through 1.5 in your textbook. Then you should also check out, these are the online statistics notes, type of statistics, types of data, levels of measurement, types of sampling. Now, to go along with my chapter 1 lecture notes is this video. So right here, I would recommend printing off this chapter 1 notes and then follow along with my video. So that way you can kind of be taking notes as you're watching my video, because I will tell you, I don't put everything on the class notes. In some places, they're kind of blank spaces that you can then watch the video and fill in the notes. So that's why it's important to download the notes and watch the video. So once you're done with that, over to assignments. For assignments this week, we've got discussion 1, levels of measurement. And so here we go, discussion 1, levels of measurement. So initial post, remember this initial post is due on Thursday. Did we say it was the 24th? Thursday, yep, the 24th. So this initial post is due Thursday the 24th. You pick 2 levels of measurement, and for each come up with an example from your daily life that wasn't already used in the readings for this week or in the discussion. When you post your 2 examples, do not specify which level your example goes with. Then follow up, when you reply to someone else's post, pick one of their examples and just say which level of measurement it is. And then for part 2, when someone says like, oh, I think this is nominal or I think this is ordinal, you need to reply back and let them know if they were correct. And if they didn't, then provide the correct response and explain why your example is a certain level. So remember, initial post is due this Thursday, and the follow-up post part 1 is due on by Sunday, and this other follow-up part 2 is just for whenever someone responds. So you might even want to check back the following Monday. So what would that be? The 28th. So you might even want to check in the 28th and see if someone has posted a reply to one of your posts. So that is discussion 1, level of measurement. Article review homework. So for the article review, what you're going to be doing is read the following article using the Barnum effect to teach research methods. So you open this, print it. You don't have to print it necessarily. And then copy and paste the following questions into a Word document, and then answer them in full sentences. So who did the research? Where and when was the research published? Where is the abstract located? What is the purpose of the abstract? What's the purpose of this research? In some cases, you might need to Google the answer. So if you're not completely sure, like what's the purpose of an abstract, Google it. It's okay. It is okay in this course to use Google or any search engine to help you find information. But go through and answer these questions and then just submit your work to this assignment. So there's the article review homework. Now the purpose of this is just to make sure that you understand how all of these, the types of statistics, types of data, levels of measurement, a lot of these things that we are talking about here, this article kind of gives you just some ideas. So it kind of gives you some real life, this is how this would look in a research study, but also you guys are going to be writing your own research studies. Not obviously exactly like this, but in some of your projects, we're going to be collecting data and then writing about it in kind of a similar manner. So I want to make sure you understand the different parts and understand some of this information to make sure that when you go to write your own, once we actually start analyzing data, you kind of already understand this. So then moving on, we've got quiz 1 and quiz 2. So here's quiz 1. Read the following material before attempting this quiz. This is the same information found over here, or mostly the same information. And you got 12 points, quizzes, you get no time limit, multiple attempts, you get 5 attempts. It will take the average though. So remember, if you get a 12 and a 6, it's going to take the average of those, right? So it's not going to take the 12, it's going to take the average of 6 and 12. So it's going to take the average, which is 9. So make sure that you try as hard as you can because you want to get the best grade you can. So it is doing the average, not the highest. Then for the next quiz, Chapter 1, Quiz 2, it's going to cover types of sampling, and it covers sections 1.3 through 1.5 in your textbook. It is worth 10 points. You get 3 attempts on this one, no time limit, and it is doing the average as well. So those are all your assignments. That's everything we've got going on for week 1. And if you have any questions or you need something, let me know. And have a wonderful week.